Hello everyone, it's me Chase from Lofty, and today I'll be teaching you how to have an announcements icon right next to your channel of choice. If you don't know what that is, I'll put it up on the screen. It's basically just a megaphone icon right next to your desired announcement channel, or just any channel in general. You can do this on both the browser version of Discord or the app version. It doesn't really matter as long as you follow the instructions. And if you watched the last video, you'll know I created this example server to download the icon, but today we'll be using this server to explain today's video. Alright, so you can see these text channels just have a boring old hashtag, and you want to create a new channel, for example, and it has a fancy new icon, like a megaphone icon, right next to it. Alright, this can make your server a bit more fancier, but most of it's just on the roles and all that, but I'll make a video on that soon. But for now, this is just a video on how to get the icon. So, you're going to want to click on this facing down arrow right next to your server's name and click on server settings, and you should see this and a whole little set of tabs here. So you want to, under community, you want to click on enable community, and you'll see this. Are you building a community? Convert your server into a community server to access additional administrative tools that can better help you moderate, run, and grow your server. I'm going to click on get started, and for you, I'm pretty sure it's going to be unchecked, and you'll have to check both to go to the next stage. But basically, I'm just going to explain. So you have to have a verified, or people who want to join your server have to have a verified email to join. And basically, what this is saying, it scans NSFW or explicit content on your server, not including NSFW channels. Alright, once you've click both of those, or check both of those, click in next, and it'll say set up the basics, and you can have a rules or guidelines channel and a community updates channel. You can choose one that already exists, or you can tell them to create one for you. I'll just say create one for me for both, just so you know what it looks like. So I'm going to click on next. For you, this is also going to be unchecked, but I'm just going to also explain what this does. So basically, what default notifications to mentions only, I'm pretty sure it means that it will only give people notifications for mentions. And what this is saying is it removes moderation from everyone except for you, I'm pretty sure. And by checking this box, you agree and understand. You agree that your server complies with their community guidelines, and that Discord may check the contents of your server to make sure it's safe. Of course, you're going to want to check that. Finish setup, and then you should have all this. Now, I've already configured most of these. I've already set a server description, example Nofty. But you no longer have to be in this anymore. You can just escape. As you can see, you have a moderator only and a text channels here. Oh, and there's rules, of course. So these are the two that it added, but we're here for the announcement channel, so I'm gonna show you how to get that. There's just only a few more steps left. You want to click on create channel. You can name anything, but as you can see, there's a whole new selection of server icons that you can choose. A stage channel, an announcement channel, a voice channel, and a text channel, which is there automatically. But what we're looking for is the announcements channel, which is right here. We can click on that, and you can change the name. I'll call it test, and I'll create the channel, and there we have it. Members can follow your channel or your announcement channel to follow up on anything that's been happening on the server or this channel. But yeah, that's about it. That's how you get the announcements channel. Of course, you can do a lot more with community, including oversight, server insights, or overview, server insights, partner program, discovery, membership, screening, and welcome screen. You can do all of this. You can set up a welcome screen, but that will be for another video. For now, that's about it. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.